What is going on, guys? EJustB here, back with another video, and today I have a video about Apple's MagSafe wallet, and I bought a cheaper budget version that cost only about $20 on Etsy, and I want to know if the MagSafe wallet is actually worth the price difference. It comes in at about $90 Canadian dollars for this one, and this one over here was about $20, and they look kind of similar. I'm going to quickly go over some of the differences, but before I do, if you guys can go and look for the subscribe button and smash it for me, it'll really help my channel grow, and I do appreciate every single one of you guys. So if you can, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Let's go into the video. Okay, so this one is Apple's card carrier. It's the MagSafe Wallet, as they call it, and this is the cheaper version that I bought on Etsy for about $20. As somebody that hates using wallets and having ultra bulk, I like going for the minimalism of it all and using just a quick card carrier. But instead of using it this year because of MagSafe, I decided to just get a case. So I bought this OtterBox. It was about $60, I don't remember, but I'm gonna have the links down below. But it's a good case. It comes with MagSafe. MagSafe is built in, and I use it with my iPhone 12. So I'm gonna quickly plop it in. I'm just gonna quickly show you the differences of the two. So when you put the MagSafe wallet on, you get a cool animation, and it's showing you that there's an accessory connected. I'm gonna quickly turn it off silent mode and put it on so you can hear the chime. And you hear a quick chime. So you don't get that chime when you're using the cheaper version of it, which is, you know, a negative. I guess the chime and the animation lets you know. It's just a cool little feature, cool little quirk that the original MagSafe wallet has that you're not really gonna get with third-party MagSafe alternatives. Now, going over the design of the two, if you look at them side by side, they look pretty similar. Of course, on this one you see that it has the Apple logo, whereas this one it doesn't. And obviously something that you can't see is that the MagSafe wallet is actually a bit heavier. And I know I have a few more cards in this one currently. I just have one random card in this one. It's still a bit bulkier and it feels a little bit more premium compared to this one. Going at the back on this one, it has the slide up slot there so you could slide up your cards. Same with the MagSafe charger. So on both of them, you do get that option to quickly slide out your cards if you're in a pinch and you just need to take out a card. Apple's MagSafe wallet feels a lot more premium, as I mentioned. Even just the stitching around it feels great. It's just, you could tell that they put a lot of attention to detail on this. This one, again, $20, so I don't expect much. But I don't know if you could see it, but there are some things coming out of the stitching, like over here and at the other side, you see some stitching coming out of it. Now let's quickly talk about the magnets, because that's really something that's important. As somebody that loses all their things all the time, I thought that having a strong magnet on the MagSafe wallet will make it a bit better. And I was actually afraid to purchase this, so I waited a few weeks before I bought it to look at all the reviews and see what's going on out there. I ended up purchasing it because, I mean, it's something that I genuinely need. Again, I don't really like carrying around a wallet, and even a card carrier, I tend to forget. So if it's built into the phone, I'm always gonna remember to bring it. So I'm gonna attach the MagSafe, it's on. And if I was to push it, it does move, but I'm putting a good amount of force on it. I'm gonna show you a pocket test later, but if I'm pushing it, okay, it fell off, but let's say I'm pushing it from below, again, I have to put a good amount of force into it for it to fall off. For this one, the cheap version, look at this, okay? I'm just gonna quickly go like this, and it moves, it falls off. I was not putting a lot of force, I promise you. I could go like this, and it's just falling off all over. Slide it down, it's falling over. If I do the same thing with the MagSafe, again, it's just, it's harder. It's a bit harder to push off. Now, of course, this can fall off. It's not something that Apple designed to just put on and never come off. It's gonna fall off because people are gonna need to take this out every so often. So that's why the magnet is not as strong as I'd like it to be, but it's definitely a lot stronger than this one. When I was watching a lot of videos, a lot of people were saying, you know, it falls off when you put it in your pocket. And then I watched more videos where people were like, the way that they're putting the phone in the pocket, it's not really natural. So I was just like, okay, I don't know which one to believe. I really don't, I gotta buy this thing. So I ended up buying it, as I mentioned, and I used it for a while, and I did not lose it when putting it in my pocket, because naturally when you're holding your phone, you're putting it in your pocket, you do cover the back. You put it in like this, or like this. The way you put it into your pocket is not the way that a lot of people on YouTube are showing you how to put it into your pocket. So let's quickly do a stand-up test. Put this in my pocket as I naturally would, just like that. So I'm covering it, and when I take it out, I do cover it as well. I don't put it in my pocket like this, and it's gonna come off if I do that, but naturally speaking, when you put your phone into your pocket, you generally cover it. You put it right into your pocket, just like that. Now with the fake one, I'm gonna put it on here and put it into my pocket. So it is relatively the same, but I found while I was using it a couple of times, when I take it out the pocket, it will fall off just because the magnets are quite weak. You're gonna wanna get the MagSafe wallet instead of a cheap alternative if you care about not losing it, because I just find that Apple's probably gonna make the best magnets for the device. One other thing, so Apple says that you could put 3 cards or 2 to 3 cards. I've seen people on YouTube say that you could put 4 cards in the MagSafe wallet. So guess what? I tried it. I tried to put 4 cards in the MagSafe wallet, and I ended up getting it stuck, and I had to use tweezers. I even tried a nail clipper, and I tried to do everything, but I couldn't get it. So I ended up sliding it up the back and then using my teeth to bite it out. And that was the first day that I got it. So I had to stretch it a bit, but the quality of it bounced back. It looks good. I like the feel and the leather of this. For something as important as carrying your cards, I think you're gonna wanna go with Apple just to get the best premium quality and assurance. To answer the question, is Apple's MagSafe wallet worth it? I'd say it is worth it, to be honest, over a cheaper alternative, because this is really important. This has my IDs, my debit card, and my credit card. So that's really important to me, and I do not want to lose it. I put this on my phone and I went to bed at night, and I slept with my phone on my bed. I just fell asleep. And when I woke up, this was totally gone. That's not gonna happen with this. Magnets are a lot stronger. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are interested in buying the MagSafe wallet, let me know why. Drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.